What's the matter? Scary out here, huh? You don't like it out here. Kitten is afraid to be outside. She never goes outside. I'm in the backyard. There's no noise. Letting her discover. What's the matter, Kitten? What's the matter? What do you see? It's all very pretty. This is what you see from upstairs all the time. What's the matter? Here you go. What? Kitten doesn't know what wind is. That's wind. You're such an indoor cat. Such a city cat. This is how country cats live. How country cats live. See? It's okay. She's like, what's that wind? What's that wind, huh, Kitten? Kind of nice, huh? Something to check out. She's petrified. What are you going to do, Kitten? What do you think? Happy to be out here? Oh, that's sun. Never felt sun before, have you? I don't know. I haven't taken her out earlier. Well, I know why, because she gets scared. But this is Kitten in the sun. Pretty nice, huh? What? What? Don't like it? There's a little fountain. Lots of landscaping. It's a nice little place for kittens to play. Really? Nice little place, Kitten. Come on.